Shut up and sit down.
So, today's a little bit different of a video. If you can tell, the garage is a little cleaner. I don't know if we'll put the time lapse of cleaning the garage at the beginning or the end or whatever. But anyway, today in this video, my brother's going to be doing the battery in the Harley. And then we're going to move some stuff around so we can get his neon in. And he's going to start tearing it apart to do the power steering pump in it, and we're gonna get time lapse probably of both of them. And while he's doing that, I'm gonna continue cleaning this disaster. And so while that's being cleaned, hopefully I can get a little bit of the corner clean, get some pictures of things to sell, and throw out some junk, get a scrap pile set up. We already took 4 truckloads of stuff out and burn it in a burning pile, and we have a trailer full of scrap, and we're going to fill up a couple more truckfuls and probably take them to the scrapyard tomorrow morning. I don't know if I'll get any of that on video or not, but so yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get started. Alright guys, so what's going on here is my brother is attempting to get his thermostat off. And he's not much of a mechanic, so I might be coming in and helping every once in a while. But he's attempting, so he has to get his thermostat out and change it. And while it's off, he has to get his power steering pump off because the car is squealing really loud, and I'm not sure if it leaks fluid, but the steering's real tight, and so yeah, something needs fixed. We changed the rack and pinion, didn't fix anything because somebody told us rack was bad, but it didn't fix it. So now we're gonna switch to the power steering pump, and we'll see what happens from there. Hold on, guys. Let me try something. All right, that might be a blooper. Let's check out this bad boy while he's working on it. So we got an 05 Neon. Yeah, we got a little do flicky there. Got some, good paint going on. Gives it that fast effect, like it's peeling off while you're driving 100 mile an hour. Don't mind that. That was his rocker panel, but it's not no more. My snow brush. Wait, that might be his snow brush. My snow brush is in his truck. Oh, look at that fresh paint. What did we pay for the car? $500? Oh, we paid $300 for the car. Got some fancy fresh paint right there. See how well that held up. Yeah. So let's go see how the mechanic's doing. Oh, exactly the same as when we left. He looks like he's getting a little flustered. Alright, so we got the beast done. The power steering pump's in. The thermostat's in. We added fluid. All that was boring, so we didn't get it on video. And now we're going to start it, jam it in reverse, back it up a couple feet, and see if there's any leaks, because we got water everywhere. So here goes everything. Alright. I can't see anything leaking. Steer it left and right the whole way. So that'll do it for this video. We got the car all done, and it was nothing real exciting. Maybe throw some clips of us cleaning the garage in here, and yeah, but I think that should be it. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.